Experiencing Xfinity Wi-Fi problems? Let's fix it. First, power cycle your modem and router. Unplug both, wait 30 seconds, and plug them back in. Ensure all Ethernet cables are securely connected and undamaged. Next, use the Xfinity XFi app to run a diagnostic scan. It can automatically detect and fix common issues like IP conflicts or DNS errors. Also, check your internet speed using the XFi app or speedtest.net. If speeds are significantly below your plan's advertised rate, 100 Mbps to 2 Gbps, you may have an issue needing further attention. If basic steps don't work, update your router's firmware via the XFi app or by accessing the admin panel at 10.0.1. Position your router centrally, away from obstructions like walls and metal objects, to reduce interference. For whole home coverage, consider Xfinity's XFi pods to eliminate dead zones. If problems persist, contact Xfinity support through the XFi app for live chat or schedule a technician visit. As Wi-Fi technology advances towards Wi-Fi 7, consider upgrading your equipment when available to handle more devices and higher speeds. Regularly update your router password and enable two-factor authentication to protect against rising cybersecurity threats.